16 minutes after 9 o'clock now on the Money Watch today. There is now less than 1 month left to file your taxes. I can almost hear the panic out there. But do not rush to get it done or try to fudge the paperwork. Fox 35's Lauren Johnson sat down with a local financial planner to talk about what could get you in trouble with the IRS.
Joining us this morning to talk more about the red flags to look out for, Certified Financial Planner Joe Bert. So last week we talked about six of the top 12 schemes that people should look out for.
Right.
This week we're talking about the schemers themselves.
Yeah, this is what the IRS is looking for. If you're thinking of pulling off any of these tricks, be careful.
Okay, so first up, impersonation of charitable organizations.
Well, here's what you have. You got people that are soliciting charitable contributions. You know, we have a disaster like Katrina or something like that. You start getting the phone calls, and then people start giving away money. Now, unfortunately, people start taking tax deductions from money they haven't really made contributions for. And the IRS, you start taking big charitable contributions, they're going to want substantiation of this. So, and you want to go to irs.gov. If you're thinking of making a charitable contribution, by the way, go to irs.gov and select check, and they'll tell you whether or not it's a legitimate organization for charitable contributions.
Good advice, Joe. Second, false income, expenses, or exemptions.
Yeah, if you're declaring income that you really don't have. And the reason people do this, if you declare just a little bit of income, you'll get money back from the government even though you haven't had money withheld, up to $5,000 or $6,000. And that's what some people do. They declare they were working part-time, you know, didn't get a W-2, didn't get a 1099. Yeah, I made a couple $1,000. Send me $5,000 or $6,000 back. Red flag.
Red flag. Frivolous arguments.
Well, here's where we've seen these organizations that come up says, you know, the tax code is illegal. You really don't owe taxes. It was never created for you. This is stuff that goes around. We see it every year. It's on the internet. People try to get you to buy into this stuff. Forget it. It's a sure ticket to jail.
Okay. Falsely claiming zero wages.
Well, here's what you have. You can file what's called a 4852 that contests the amount of income that you've gotten. So let's say that you've gotten a W-2 for X number of dollars, and you send in this form 4852. This really wasn't this much. It was this much, to try to reduce your taxes and to try to get a refund. Don't play it. Don't play that game.
Okay. Abusive tax structures.
Well, these are the old tax shelters, and they still come around. If there's schemes out there that said you can invest $1 here, $5, $100, $10,000, $20,000, and write off that amount or a multiple of that, it doesn't work. Doesn't work anymore. After the '86 tax law, pretty much all tax shelters are pretty gone. The only bona fide tax shelter that's really out there today is your IRA or contributions of 401k or a 403b plan.
Okay. Last but not least, misuse of trust.
Well, once again, these schemes go around. This is put your money in these trusts. You can avoid the income, hide the income, don't pay taxes on your dividends or interest, capital gains. We can set you up. Once again, doesn't fly.
All right, so watch out for the schemers this tax season. Joe Bert, thanks so much.
All right, Lauren.